Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Jazz side mirror. First, assess the damage to determine if it's a simple reattachment or requires part replacement. Next, ensure you have the correct tools, such as screwdrivers and trim removal tools, readily available. Finally, we will walk through the repair steps, from removing the old mirror to installing the new one, ensuring a secure fit. This guide makes the process straightforward for anyone. Before starting, gather your tools. A Phillips head screwdriver is crucial for detaching screws. A plastic trim removal tool helps prevent damage when prying off panels. Depending on the damage, you might need a new mirror glass, a complete housing, or just some strong adhesive. Always work in a well-lit area and consider wearing gloves for safety. Having everything ready saves time and effort during the repair. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool, exposing the mirror's mounting bolts. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the mirror. Then, unscrew the bolts holding the old mirror in place and carefully remove it. Position the new mirror, reattach the bolts, and reconnect the wiring harness. Ensure all connections are snug before reattaching the door panel. After installation, test the mirror's functionality. Adjust it using the interior controls to ensure full range of motion. If your mirror has heating elements, verify they work correctly. Double-check that all screws are tightened and the door panel clips are securely fastened. For more helpful tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. This ensures your repair is complete and lasting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.